Hi, this is Pamela from Pembroke Paws, and here I have a purebred, 9-week-old Pembroke Welsh Corgi puppy. He's beautifully marked. He's got the full white stripe. He's got great white feet. Hey, buddy, come here. He's a lot of laughs. He's a little bit of a clown. He was the runt of the litter. He's the last one left. Hey, you. He's a smaller size corgi. He didn't get very big. He's at 9 weeks and still growing. Hey, you. He's quite the clown. Anyway, if you have any interest, you can find us on puppyfind.com or pembrokepaws.org. And if you have any interest in him, he's $600. And he's absolutely adorable. Thank you.